actually wanted that.
Yeah?
Ooh, he cut it too.
What could that be?
What is that?
Super Toy Factory.
Ooh.
Junior Woodworker. Oh boy.
Me and Daddy's gonna have fun, right?
Yeah, you can make all kind of things.
Me and you, Daddy.
What's that big red bag laying there for? What's in there? Santa must have left the bag here. It's not a magic bag, is it?
I wish I had some more presents.
Oh, you're down to your big one now. You're so quick.
Oh. What could be in that big box? Huh?
I can't even lift it.
You can't even lift it.
Now what can that be?
Yeah, there's
Oh, a box of newspaper he got.
No.
So it looks like.
A TV, yeah.
Oh boy, TV, that's what I see.
Look at it already.
It's your baby, Sarah. Oh.
Daddy, could you set it up today?
I don't know. I get one piece of wire.
I told you, Sarah, on Christmas Day I would have a TV. You said, what? Ow. Look what this big thing is. That's why I think it's that. I got my big TV. I got my other little TV.
What's that? What's it bake oven? Sarah got an oven.
Oh! Big, and you can really eat it. Yeah.
Yeah?
So
Wow, an oven. Oh, these kids will like that.
oh no. Boy, big. Scissors. What's that flash? Wait. So long, guys. Cool. Cool. Christmas. Color, paint, color, marker, color, paint. And chalk. What's chalk? Oh, yeah, it's chalk. And a pencil sharpener. Look, my stuff. Look, the pencil sharpener. Cool. He did that on mine too, so he said to blah 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 and from blah blah blah. Cool. You could use them for your Barbie babies, right? Yeah. Da. When it's stuck in their thumb.
Who's sucking her thumb?
A baby.
What?
Where? Ah!
Oh, you okay?
It even has sprinkles.
Whoa!
Ounces.
See your own bacon.
Still could help out. Look. It hurts. Ooh, I could have fun with
The
this.
Little Mermaid light up drawing desk. You know?
Oh, it's heavy.
Look there, Sarah. The flashlight, the battery. Ghost Rider.
I don't like that. Sarah, you can't get it off. It's so hard to get off. It takes a year to take off.
that thing's bright. There, you need a light for the camera. Phil, look at that. You need a light for the camera. We're here like this. There, we got a light. All kind of light in here now. Look at there. Look at there.
Oh my God, she caught it!
She got what?
She caught that!
So she asked for it.
Yes! She
What is
wanted
it?
all that big Barbie.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Two little baby Barbies.
You got it. Yeah.
You see her name is Barbie Bridesmaid, Kelly Flower Girl, Midge Bride, Ellen Groom, Todd Ringbear, and Ken is best man. Wow.
I want to open it and play.
You want to open and play?
How can you get all this crap? Scraps out.
Wrap that up too
Dun,
good.
dun. Ooh, dun, dun, dun.
Oh,
They're all yours.
yeah, if I can get it open. Gotta break them before I get them out. Ooh, ooh, pretty earrings.
I did not know if you would.
Thank you, Sarah.
Where?
Oh,
Did you wear
they're
them?
so pretty.
Did you wear them?
Mm-hmm, of course I'll wear them.
Ah, you know.
What's wrong? Tape on it. Not that much tape on it. Say, did you get this next to your mother? Shows up her one and only present.
I have 2 presents, I beg your pardon, 3
Oh.
presents. Number 1, Mom. Earrings. 2 presents so far.
Hey. Ooh, shoes.
Shoes, see ya.
Brush.
Yeah, you got what you wanted too.
Boy, I got what I wanted. It's a kitchen table wrapped in this.
Wow.
Tiny room table. What in the world? Oh, Raymond, how'd you get this?
Don't worry about how I got that.
Thank you very
Put
much.
our pictures in. I said it's a necklace.
I knew you'd like something like that.
Thank you.
I want to feel what's this. Ah! Yeah, I want to try it. Ah!
Let's see that. There's her.
Ah!
The whole bride's party, the wedding party. Is that what you wanted?
Yep. I'll do myself. I just play. Ha!
But you had enough Barbies.
What's that? What is that? You talk about my house.
Becky.
She never had the house. She never had that Barbie van. I wanted it. I got it.
Oh, yeah?
She wanted it too. Who
Yeah.
did? Becky. Who's Becky?
And Becky.
I love Becky. Is
Cousin Becky.
I can't love this.
Look how
No.
bigger that thing is. Look how big that thing is.
Punching bag. Be a midget to punch it.
Yeah.
Mom, look.
Ooh.
I can't get it. Look. You
Don't break it now.
Daddy. I need a knife. Where's my knife? Will you pull it up, Daddy?
Don't cut her head off. Be careful.
I had those towels on layaway.
Where's that knife? Sarah, would you give me that knife?
Take all the plastic off though.
Short, big, and it's hard. Listen to it. Vacuum up, Dad. She wants to come over and play with me.
Oh yeah.
She said she will.
Oh, look at that, Bill. You got paint. You got a saw with it too. A hammer in there too.
Yeah. Where's the saw?
Right there on top of your hand.
What?
What's that?
Something else we have to send in now.
Yeah, they wanted you to get another subscription.
I got paint. Everything. Sandpaper.
You're gonna be busy with that.
What's in here?
Huh. Are those wheels or something?
No.
You don't know.